The OnePlus Nord Wired Earphones come in a simple black box with the OnePlus logo and the name of the product on the front. Inside, you get the earphones themselves, 3 pairs of silicone ear tips in different sizes, a user guide. The cable is about 1.2 meters long, and it has a rubberized texture, which prevents it from tangling too much. The earbuds have a metal housing, which gives them a premium feel, and they also have an IPX4 rating, which means they are water and dust resistant. The sound quality of the OnePlus Nord Wired Earphones is surprisingly good for the price. They have 9.2 mm dynamic drivers and a 0.42 cubic centimeter sound cavity, which deliver a powerful and balanced sound. The earphones can get pretty loud without distorting the sound, and they also have a low impedance of 32 ohms, which means they can be easily driven by any device. The microphone quality of the OnePlus Nord Wired Earphones is also good, and it picks up your voice clearly and accurately. The button controls are easy to use, and they have a tactile feedback. You can press once to play or pause music or answer or end a call. You can press twice to skip to the next track or triple press to go back to the previous track. They are definitely worth checking out if you just want a pair of earphones that can handle any genre of music and any type of device. I hope you enjoyed this review, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews.